Hello, this is Matthew Miller from the ZDNet Mobile Gadgeteer. As you can see in front of me, I was lucky enough to secure myself a Nike Fuelband. Now, these have been on sale, but they sell out within 5 to 8 minutes. They're on sale, I guess, at the Nike store in New York every once in a while. So what I've seen so far is there's been 2 online sales, and you have to follow the link in Twitter and then get in there, and you have to get it into your basket and get through the purchase within just a couple minutes. So if you look at my my blog post, you'll see the little trick that I did that might have saved myself a few seconds and ended up allowing me the chance to get one. Now I'm going to do a more in-depth review, since this just arrived today, more in-depth review next week, and also compare. This is the Nike Fuelband. I'm going to compare the Nike Fuelband with the Jawbone Up that I've been using since launch day, actually, and the Fitbit Ultra that I've also been using now for a couple months. So I have 3 of these devices, and I'll offer a full comparison next week and get into it. Now, I just wanted to do kind of a first impressions of the of the Fuelband. And just kind of show you. I actually went for a 3.5 mile run today just to get some kind of Nike fuel on the device itself. But let's kind of walk through the hardware first. This is actually the large bracelet, so it's a little bit wider, a little bit heavier than some of the other ones, the small and medium. I used the sizing guide, and it fit my wrist. Now, I don't know if you can see right there. This is a small link right there. It comes with a small link inside, and then in the box, the retail box here, there's some directions on the left that show you how to take links in and out. And there's a little tool they provide, a little tool, and then the little tool here, and then the big link there. I came with a small link. I think I'm going to take the small link out and see if that fits a little bit better. As you can see, I put it on. There's a little bit of looseness, and I think I want a little bit tighter than that. So you can see there's a little bit of looseness there. Slides around on my wrist a little too much, so I'll take out that small link and see if the large, as measured, fits me. As I said, it came with the small in there in the band itself, and then it comes with a large in the box. But let's it's a little bit too big for me, so let's see what happens. We just take this simple tool, we put it in the hole, and it simply releases the link. Right? And then we pull it out, and then we also can separate this one because we need the metal one here for. That's the where the USB port goes, and then you simply put it back in there, and there we go. It's simple as that to adjust the links. Very quick, easy, and they give you the handy tool for that. So the hardware itself, we've got, it's a rubberized band, kind of has some flex to it. On the bottom, there's a switch, a closure device there. You can see there's the Nike Plus icon. That's metal. You push the button in to separate it, and then pull it apart, and then it snaps in. You make sure you snap it in all the way to close it. And then you can see on the other side, there's a little USB. And you can connect it directly into your computer like that. Or it comes with this handy little dock. Right? This is the Nike Plus dock. You can stick it in the dock. And you would set it down on the table like so. And then plug in that USB cable. And the dock has a little bit of rubber base. I use the dock most of the time, and I use the dock actually to charge it via USB cable rather than just the computer to get it charged up faster. On the back, there's some screws and things like that, and I guess that's where all the internals are at if you needed to have it worked on or whatever. It's a very comfortable band. It's all covered in soft touch kind of rubber stuff. And then the big deal about this band really is the functions, right? So you have a button here, and if you press it, it'll tell you there's the time, and then it has your fuel, right? And it has a countdown of the fuel up to green, which is the goal. And the goal is different for everybody. You set your own goal, and then you try to meet it. Now I set my goal for 3,000, which is kind of high, considering that I sit at a desk most of the day. But I wanted to kind of challenge myself and try to get out and run every day and things like that. So we'll see how it goes. So what you do is you push this, and you'll see it kind of rotates through. There's fuel, and that my fuel score today is 1549. If I push it again, goes to calories. It shows 695, and that's based on my age, height, and weight, and then the motion, then the movement, of course. And then there's steps. It says I've taken 6,039 steps since I've got it today. And then there's time. So those are the things that are shown on there. Now, you'll also see things, you know, when you charge it, you'll see a charging status. You'll see the Nike swoosh on there. You'll see some other things appearing on there occasionally as well. And then you can simply just kind of go through it. And then when you stop, it's when it actually shows you what you want to see. And that's it. It's very simple. That's it. Snaps on, fits on, no problem. Comes with the dock. Let's see what else. That's about it. Oh yeah, there's an application too. Currently for the iPhone, and if you look at my screenshot gallery, I've got set up screens for the whole thing and images of the screen, some screenshots of the iPhone app. They're working on an Android app, which I imagine will be out pretty soon. So check out my post. It has a screenshot gallery, image gallery, and a tip that might help you with the next sale. I mean, you can get these on eBay now, pretty much double the price of double or $100 more than the $150 selling price. It's a bit expensive, but we'll see how it goes. As I said, next week is a big comparison review between the three hottest fitness tracking devices. So, thanks for watching.